Asteroids are clues to the formation of the rocky planets of our solar system. The objects we see today are leftover from a time when the solar system formed 4.5 billion years ago. There are a lot of these leftovers out there. Let's learn some cool facts about them. Asteroids aren't the only things that hit Earth. Each day, more than 100 tons of material from asteroids and comets falls toward Earth. Most of it is destroyed by friction as it passes through our atmosphere. If something does hit the ground, it is known as a meteorite. While asteroid impacts were more common in the past, they are not as frequent today. Earth suffers an impact from an object of the size of a football field about once every 2,000 years. Acar-sized meteoroid, a piece of asteroid falls into Earth's atmosphere about once a year. The result is a beautiful fireball, but the meteoroid usually burns up before reaching the ground. It is estimated that just one metal-rich asteroid could contain more metal than has ever been used by humanity. Estimates for the mineral wealth of the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter equate to roughly 100 billion for every person on Earth. Asteroid collisions are rare, but fantastic events when two asteroids of differing size can completely shatter one another. However, the chance of asteroids colliding is roughly equivalent to winning the lottery every day for a week. The only collision event seen by mankind was observed by the Hubble Space Telescope in 2010. Asteroids are pretty dangerous. Collision between asteroids can throw them out of their orbits and set them on a collision course with planets. Collision of asteroids with planets is known as impact event. These impact events can be extinction-level events. For instance, it was an asteroid that led to the extinction of dinosaurs some 65 million years ago. Asteroids are as old as the solar system itself, about 4.6 billion years of age. They formed in the violent and turbulent nebula that gave birth to the Sun and the planets. Some were ejected from planets following a collision, such as when Mars was hit by a Pluto-sized object, while others are remnants of failed planetary formation. The asteroid belt between Jupiter and Mars is thought to be the result of a planet failing to form between the two planets, due largely to the strong gravitational pull of Jupiter, pulling the rocks apart. There are thought to be billions of asteroids in the solar system. At least one new asteroid has been discovered every year since 1847. However, there are a much larger number of small asteroids. If all of the asteroids were combined into a ball, they would still be much smaller than Earth's moon. Asteroids can have ring systems. One asteroid, named Ceres, is known to have two dense and narrow rings. More than 10 spacecraft have explored asteroids, and we have even landed on an asteroid. The sizes of asteroids vary significantly. Some are just under 10 meters, and some are several hundreds of kilometers wide. An asteroid named Ceres was discovered by Italian astronomer named Giuseppe Piazzi in 1801 is 950 kilometers wide. Because of its sheer size, Ceres is the closest dwarf planet to the Sun, and it encompasses over 1/3 of the estimated total mass of all the asteroids in the asteroid belt. Not just planets, even asteroids have moons. Some of the asteroids in the solar system have moons. These moons revolve around the asteroids, just like the planets revolve around the Sun. The motion of an asteroid can be affected by sunlight. According to astronomers, when the sunlight hits an asteroid, the light is absorbed. After some time, the asteroid re-emits the same in form of thermal radiation. During the thermal radiation, the asteroid gains a tiny thrust in its motion. Asteroids can be pretty dangerous. In February 2013, a 65 feet wide asteroid managed to enter Earth's atmosphere over Russia's Chelyabinsk city. It exploded in the sky, but sent out shock waves that caused quite some damage and injured 1,200 people.